We are going to edit this picture with AI, and still we are going to also edit this picture with AI. My name is Donxtraboost. Today we are going to learn the free way of editing pictures, even if you don't have any skills in AI, in Photoshop, in what. Let's say bye to Photoshop this time. I'm not saying you should, but trust me, you can edit your client's pictures first and with free tools. Many of you are saying AI is going to take our jobs. Others are saying it's not going to take our jobs. So today we are going to see if AI can edit this picture or it can't. But I tell you, with this tutorial, you're going to learn how to edit pictures so that you don't need any Photoshop or you don't need any tool to edit pictures. Okay, let's dive into the video. I think you can see this picture and you can also see this picture. So let's dive into the video. What I did, I went online and I downloaded those pictures. You see, I can say pretty black girl with so I downloaded this picture and I downloaded the other picture you saw. Remember to subscribe. My name is Donxtraboost. Please visit our website if you can. All right. So we are going to use Google Gemini. We are going to use Gemini. All right. We are going to use Gemini, and we are also going to use ChatGPT. So guys, please, let's dive into the video slowly. We are going to use Gemini and ChatGPT. How are we going to do it? What we are going to do, please follow the steps properly, and remember to visit our website donxtraboost.com. So one thing we are going to do, you're going to get your picture, no matter what picture. Please, I'm going to do this thing step by step. You're going to get, let me say, let's start with, let me see which picture. Okay, let's start with this one. This one. Oh, you're going to drag it, or you're going to upload it in your Gemini. Please follow these steps carefully. I don't want you to miss any step. When you follow, because these are the steps you people fail to do these things. Please don't miss any step. So one thing, when you upload your picture to Gemini, the one you want to edit, first of all, understand which things do we have to edit. Okay, let's first look at our picture. So when we look at our picture, I think we have to remove these pimples. I call blemishes. I don't know. Okay, we have to make this face clean. Remember, without changing this person face details, without changing, so this person has to stay the same person. So after you understand, this is where you go wrong. I want us to go step by step. So when you understand what you want to edit, we are going to select Gemini. We are going to select the Flash 3.5. So remember, here you're green. You don't know how to prompt. You don't know how to do anything. Okay, that's the reason why I'm doing this tutorial. So we are going to tell Gemini to analyze. We are going to tell it to analyze this image and understand. I'm writing a prompt as a beginner. So guys, remember I told you I teach beginners. We are going to edit without even using Photoshop. Analyze this image and understand it properly. You get? Properly. So we tell it, I want to edit this picture. I want to edit this picture. And without changing the person face details. We are writing as a beginner, and you should do this face details. Also, the person must stay real. Nothing must change apart from retouching and removing the, they call them blemishes. How should we call them? They call them what? Blemishes. Blemishes. Let me see. Okay, this one. Oh, removing this one. Let's. Okay, removing the blemishes and okay. Get me a prompt to use with another AI to edit the picture. So now you write note, first understand everything. Okay, it may be a long tutorial, but I'm not going to cut it into parts, so you're just going to watch it. I'm sorry. Okay, right, so you click enter. Okay. Okay, now you see where sometimes, okay, it's saying, so let's hear what it is saying. Let me play what it is saying. Let's play. It's saying what? Let's hear.
I understand you want to retain the core identity and details of the person while specifically removing blemishes to create a polished, retouched look. Here is the analysis and a tailored prompt for use with another AI. Analysis of the base image. Subject: close-up, profile 3/4 view of a black person with dark skin. Key features: to keep, specific wavy, close-cropped blonde hair texture and color. The unique tricolor graphic eyeliner, mint green, black, and hot pink, coral. The high gloss, sheer lip color. The small diamond stud earring. The overall profile, facial structure, and eyes closed pose. The simple gray studio background. Details: to edit, extensive visible skin texture, including multiple active blemishes and texture irregularities. Prompt for a generative, retouching AI. This prompt is designed to instruct an AI with in-painting IMG2 IMG capabilities to make subtractive edits, removal of texture, while keeping everything else fixed. Instruction prompt: a high-end, professionally retouched close-up portrait of the person seen in 331560.
I think you've seen that the AI has Gemini has watched the video, has seen the picture, and then it has got the key features. You see. So what we are going to do, we are going to get this prompt and edit it. Okay? We are going to get this prompt and edit it. So how are we going to edit this prompt? We are going to come, let me go to notes. Notes. So when we open our notes, so our prompt is saying, a high-end professional retouch close-up portrait of the person seen in the image. Here you change in the uploaded image, full stop. Then it says the skin texture must be significantly improved by removing all blemishes ahead. You read, then it says simple gray studio background from the uploaded image. The uploaded image, okay, so must be image. Okay, so you got your prompt. Listen, this is why you people go wrong, so go slow by slow. So we come in ChatGPT. Don't select create an image, just open a new chat and upload that picture. Listen, you're going to see where you people are going wrong. I think this is the image we uploaded. So upload your image and paste our prompt. Paste our edited prompt. My storage is out, but let me hope it will generate, because my storage is out. A high-end professional retouch. Okay, so let's first run this prompt and you see. You see? Let's run this prompt and you guys see. I'm sorry. As we are waiting for the image to generate, remember to visit our site. It's www.donxtraboost.com. So with this site, it's going to give you it's going to help you grow your social media handles. It's going to help you through a lot of things. You see, it's going to help you grow your social media. Let me show you some of the services they have. Okay, so these are the services they have. Trust me, you will like it. You can visit our site as we wait for the image to generate. They also have different things you may need. Trust me, this is a tech hub. Let's go to custom service. You're going to see what they have. You see, custom digital services for brand creators and businesses. Trust me, please, if you're watching this video, it's not by mistake. Go to Donxtraboost and you're going to see. You learn a lot of things. We are going to teach you to be fast, make apps, build your own games, and start earning from them. Okay, so let's go back to our ChatGPT. Please visit donxtraboost.com. It's very simple. There are very many things you're going to need to grow your account. So our image has been generated. Okay, let's download it and see. I think so. You people have to give me stickers. You people have to give me money. You people have to do a lot of things because I'm teaching you things you people didn't know. People, you do these things in Photoshop, but I'm showing you we are not done yet. We are not done yet. You may end the video if you feel you're done, but well, we are not done. So I think try to look at this. Do you see the image? Do you see? So let's look at the before. So guys, look at the before and the after. Okay? Look at the before and the after. It's the same person. You've cleaned the person. Nothing has changed. I think you can see this in the neck. It's still the same thing. You can see the ears. You can see the hair. We have retouched the image without, guys. So now, after finishing this, because you have to send this picture to the client, you get? You're going to get any tool you use. You're going to import this image in any tool you use. It's either you can use Photoshop, you can use Pixel Lab, any tool of your wish, or you can go to any website, then upload this picture or import this picture, then export it. This is the most important thing. Export this image, the one you've generated, in PNG format and high end. Make sure it is in PNG format and high end. I think, guys, you can see we've finished this picture. Well, guys, remember to subscribe. I'm Young256 Donxtraboost. Visit my website. I like you so much. Leave a comment. You can ask me anything. I want to send shout outs to everyone who watches my videos. You don't skip adverts. I really appreciate it. It's been a long video, but well, we're done and we out. Thank you so much. Blessed pan.